momentous year of 2020 will live on vividly in our memories for years to come. As our communities faced fear and uncertainty from a relentless and unforgiving pandemic, Adventist HealthCare remained present and committed to providing consistent and quality care to patients throughout our region, extending God's care through the ministry of physical, mental, and spiritual healing. It's a commitment embodied and lived out by Adventist HealthCare over the last 5 years, characterized by an unswerving dedication to service and excellence, and accompanied by milestone growth. In 2019, Shady Grove Medical Center celebrated its 40th anniversary. The medical center has been recognized for the 8th year in a row by the American Stroke Association for the highest quality stroke care. And in 2020, Shady Grove received the coveted 5-star rating for quality care from the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services. Now Shady Grove is preparing to build a new 150,000 square foot patient care tower, enhancing its ability to provide state-of-the-art world-class care. 2019 also saw the grand opening of White Oak Medical Center, the new home of the historic Washington Adventist Hospital that opened its doors in 1907. The much-anticipated move required the transition of an entire hospital across town to its new location in Silver Spring, Maryland. An adjacent 169,000 square foot medical pavilion took shape in 2020, housing a variety of specialty care services and offices. And fall of 2019 came with the addition of Fort Washington Medical Center. Since joining Adventist HealthCare, Fort Washington has begun work on its master facility plan, which will add new and expanded facilities, providing private patient rooms, along with modern emergency department and operating rooms. The medical center also broke ground on a medical pavilion at National Harbor, which will feature a variety of outpatient amenities and services. 2020 saw the birth of a historic partnership between Adventist HealthCare and Howard University Hospital in Washington, D.C. As part of a management services agreement with Howard University, Adventist HealthCare has been working with Howard University Hospital's team of healthcare professionals to help strengthen the hospital's presence in the region, which includes building a new state-of-the-art hospital on the campus of Howard University. As part of our full continuum of care, Adventist HealthCare offers a network of rehabilitation hospitals and clinics along with close to 50 outpatient and ambulatory healthcare facilities. Over the last 5 years, Adventist HealthCare opened 4 urgent care centers and added 6 locations to its imaging network. It's easy to see why Adventist HealthCare has had a milestone quinquennium leading to 2 additional recognitions for the system as a whole. Reflecting its commitment to performance excellence, Adventist HealthCare was awarded a site visit by the Malcolm Baldrige Performance Excellence Program. The program recognizes the highest performing companies in the country, awarding site visits to only 9 organizations in 2020. In addition, Adventist HealthCare was named as one of America's best in-state employers by Forbes and Statista. The year 2020 saw unprecedented efforts to care for more than 6,700 COVID patients and culminated with the hopeful start of COVID-19 vaccination. Adventist HealthCare leaned into that privilege and responsibility, organizing 3 community vaccination clinics, starting vaccination programs in physician practices, and pursuing partnerships with organizations to reach more vulnerable members of our community. Tens of thousands of healthcare workers, elderly residents, teachers, essential workers, and members of hard-to-reach populations received COVID-19 vaccines from team members who never tired of extending God's care to those in need of hope and healing. That is care. That is compassion. That is community. It is who we are and what we do. Adventist HealthCare.